Are you looking for the best beach metal detectors? In this video, we will look at some of the best beach metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bounty Hunter TK4 IV. Bounty Hunter TK4 IV is ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. If you are looking for a metal detector for the whole family, then this is the best metal detector for the beach that is suitable for both children and adults and is a great starter machine that wouldn't break the bank. The metal detector is attached with an adjustable stem and an 8-inch waterproof coil, enabling it to detect large metals up to 8 deep and smaller ones at 2 deep. At 4.2 pounds, this lightweight metal detector features 3 modes of operation: 2-tone audio discrimination and a motion all-metal mode. An additional preset ground balance neutralizes response to mineral content in the ground. What is also great is that you can also use TK4 IV in shallow water. Number 2. Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger is an ultralight metal detector for any environment for a search of any valuable metals such as gold coins and iron relics. There are no complicated instructions or setup procedures, simply hit the power button and start exploring. The 2.2 pounds detector is constructed with an easy-to-use knob control interface which helps to maximize depth of detection with the power/sensitivity control and an adjustable stem with an adjustable length range of 34.5 inches to 45.5 inches. The installed discrimination control helps to fend off unwanted targets. This beach detector can sense large objects up to 6 inches deep and small objects up to 2 inches deep. Number 3. Bounty Hunter BHJS Jr. Many detectors are not suitable for smaller children as they are too tall, but if your little one is interested in hunting for metal and treasure, then Bounty Hunter BHJS Jr. is the one for you. The detector is easy to use and will grow with your child, which makes it very economical. Perfect for an enthusiast who wants to introduce their child or grandchild to the fun of detecting, BHJS Jr. works perfectly at the beach and beyond. This top-rated metal detector for the beach is fitted with a 6.5-inch weather-resistant and rust-proof coil and has an adjustable stem with a height ranging from 21.5 inches to 31.5 inches that detect almost all metals. However, due to its non-waterproof make, BHJS Junior metal detector should not be used in water or wet grounds. Number 4. National Geographic Pro Series. National Geographic Pro Series comes with a large 10-inch waterproof coil and a pinpointer for accurate detection and does not require any assembly. The collapsible metal detector is the ultimate high-quality performing and simple operator device. One of the standout things about this detector is its very precise pinpoint feature. You can use the pinpoint location function to accurately hone in on the location of an object once you detect something, which saves you from dispersing more earth than need be. The LCD screen will show the relevant icons depending on what has been located. The icons represent iron, aluminum, and lesser valued coins, ring pulls, and lower value coins, as well as the sound you want to hear of higher value coins. Number 5. Bounty Hunter Discovery 3300. Bounty Hunter Discovery 3300 THMD DVND MDLF THR, NDRFNL MTL DTTR, THTH Bold TKRTND NTR MBT RBU. If you are NTH Market FR NAGRD TRLD, NLG MTL TETR, then you have found the right one. Discovery 3300 MTL DTTR VLF NGL Furcon on THTR TT 6.6 KZ. TLW Furcon LLW TT NTR TTH Grun T GRTR DTH. MUMN DTTN 8-inch, but NUN FR NTVT, Grun BLN, NDDRM NDN, UNNTLLFN THDVR TRHDR NDFND TRUR THTHVNDBN DUG UNR.